Most people look at the periodic table and see a list of 118 elements. That's wrong. It's not a list, it's a map. And once you can read the map, every square tells you how that element behaves before you've memorized a single thing. Okay, so, 2 directions, 7 rows going across, 18 columns going down. That's the whole grid. Rows are called periods, columns are called groups, and each one is doing a completely different job. The whole thing is ordered by one number, protons. Hydrogen has 1 proton, sits in the corner. Oganesson has 11,8, sits in the opposite corner. Every step adds a proton. Now look at the rows. The row an element sits in tells you how many electron shells it has. Period 2, 2 shells. Period 3, 3 shells. Carbon is in row 2, 2 shells. Sodium is in row 3, 3 shells. You're literally reading the size of the atom by counting down. Now the columns. Going down a column, every element has the same number of outer electrons, the ones that actually do chemistry. That's why lithium, sodium, potassium, all in column 1, all explode in water the same way. Same outer electron, same personality. And there's a third pattern hiding in plain sight. A zigzag staircase running down the right side. Everything left of it, metal. Everything right of it, nonmetal. The few elements sitting on the staircase itself, silicon, germanium, arsenic, those are metalloids, half metal, half not. It's why silicon runs every computer chip on Earth. So here's the trick. Position is the answer. Row tells you the size. Column tells you the behavior. Side of the staircase tells you metal or not. Far right column, outer shell is full. Nothing reacts. Helium, neon, argon, they just sit there. The table is telling you that just by where they live. Zoom in on one square. 3 things in every box. A letter symbol, a small number on top for protons, a bigger number below for atomic mass. That's the whole language. And that mass number? Round it, subtract the protons, you get the neutrons. Carbon, mass 12, 6 protons, 6 neutrons. Done. One last thing, those 2 rows floating at the bottom, they actually belong inside the main table, in rows 6 and 7. They got pulled out so the whole thing fits on a page. So, the next time you see the periodic table, don't read it like a phone book, read it like a map. Find the row, find the column, find the side of the staircase, and the chemistry just falls out.